Did you get a letter in the mail about your property taxes? Odds are, if you own a home, that you've already received a letter asking you to pay your property taxes. But before you go writing a check, make sure to stick around and watch the rest of this video, as I'm going to talk about who should be paying your property taxes. If you have a mortgage on your home, as I'm sure most of you do, it's likely that your mortgage company set up an escrow account when you bought your house. Now, that escrow account exists so that the mortgage company can take some of your monthly payments and pay your insurance and property taxes for you. This ensures that your tax bill will be paid on time and in full, so you'll never have to worry about fines or penalties. If you don't have a mortgage, then this obviously doesn't apply to you, and you should just get back to writing that check yourself. Just make sure that you make your payment before the due date. Now, in Louisiana, any payments made on or postmarked by January 3rd of 2023 will not incur any interest charges. Nobody likes to pay taxes, but I hope that this video has helped you understand who should be paying your property taxes. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and like and subscribe for more great content like this.